is my mom, Bobby, from Roxxi's Canine Couture. And today, my twerk socks. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Roxxi's Canine Couture channel. I'm Victoria, and this is...
Sorry, I messed you up.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is my mom, Bobby. And today we put together a list, 10 things that you need to know before opening a business. And also we're gonna share some tips with if you're on a budget and you don't have as much money, but you still want to start a business even though you may not have a lot. And today we're going to focus on like more dog businesses because that's what we have. But you could, pertain that to any business that you're gonna start. These are like the kind of like the basic things that you need to think about before you open up a business, because you can't just be like, okay, I want to sell pajamas. You just buy some pajamas, put it online. Like, you need to know certain things before you just post stuff on so it can look professional and clean cut and look like, you thought of every aspect before launching it to the public. So we're gonna get into it. We have 10 things written down on here and we're gonna go through them and give you some advice. Tip number 1, you need to brainstorm. You need to know what you want to sell and what things you want to bring to the industry. So for example, my mom had an idea. She wanted to make dog accessories, dog bows. So then with that idea, you go online, you research it and see your competition and see what you do like, what you don't like, and what things that you can bring to the industry that doesn't already have. And you have to be kind of passionate about it, something that you like and you like doing. You're not gonna open a beauty supply store if you don't like shopping for hair or makeup or nail polish, because you're not gonna be up with the trend or the colors or the styles because you don't really care about it unless you're gonna have someone else work there for you. But I mean, if you have little to no money, then you're gonna be the one researching. So find something that you like and research about it. Tip number 2, research the products and buy items or make them. So you have to research what you want to buy and what products you're going to launch out first, because if you don't have a lot of money, you need to probably launch like 1 to 5 products. I think is pretty good. You don't want too much if you don't have enough money for that, or depending on who is helping you, because if you have too much going on and your eyes are bigger than your stomach per se, then you'll be overwhelmed instead of like getting your feet wet, tiptoeing in, and then diving in all the way. So pick out a couple products that you've researched from your brainstorm, and yeah. If you're buying an item from a vendor, you need to know what questions to ask. So you can't just look at it and be like, oh, I like this, click and buy it. No, you need to look how many years that vendor has been in the game, where they're located, the reviews on that product, if they have a lot of reviews or no reviews at all. Maybe if that person has a review, maybe message that person and say, okay, I'm looking at this vendor. How do you like the product? Is it good quality? Yada, yada. And after that, you look through all these things, look through their pictures and different things. You can message the vendor, ask them that you want more information about their products and see what other products that they have available, because if that's just one item, they may have other products that you would like to sell, so you can buy everything from one vendor instead of buying from different vendors, because if you buy more from one vendor, then you can get discounts. So if you want to buy dog accessories, you could be like, okay, I want collars, bandanas, bow ties, leashes, harnesses, different things, or like different bowls. And if they sell all those things, you can buy it from that one vendor and you get a better price than you buy from 5 different ones. So if you find a vendor that sells more than one thing, then go with that vendor. So it's all about patience and time, because it's not going to happen in one day. It might happen in 1 week, but it might take you a couple months to narrow down the perfect vendor, depending on what you want to sell. Also, for researching items, my mom, she makes them, and she knew everything to buy for the bows, and she's the queen of coupons. So also when you're doing a business, you want to go to different stores. So if you are making things for dog accessories, you have to buy fabric, thread, needles, all that kind of stuff. So you need to know where to go to have different things, to buy the items that you need. So for example, you need to, if you have a local store like Joann's Fabric, they have an app and stuff online, so you can go online and see the different prices, and they always have coupons, so you can do that.
Oh wait, at Joann's they always have coupons and sales. If you have the Joann's app, they send you a notification once every other day. They're having sales, really good sales. So that's a good way to save money for your business.
Yeah, and also they have like those third party stores. Like, what's M&L? What kind of store is that?
M&L, that's a big
Like
fabric wholesale.
Yeah, and also look at wholesale warehouses in your area as well. They may have other things. So just type in wholesale warehouses near me, and they will pop up, and you can give them a call and see what kind of items that they sell, and you can get those items for a very cheap price. Okay.
And also at Walmart, they have really good prices. Always have good prices at Walmart.
Yeah, Walmart, Target is expensive. Walmart, definitely. Ross, but I don't think they have stuff in bulk.
Not at Ross.
They have lipstick right here.
They don't have anything, but as far as our business, they don't have anything for us to use or buy for our business.
Yeah, but it's not cheap either. Like, you don't want to buy something that's like $6.99 each. You want to buy something that's $2, $1.50, or something like that. Especially if you aren't just starting out. Oh, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree.
Not number one, but that's a good store.
Walmart, Dollar Tree, discount stores, warehouses, and companies that give out good sales like Joann's Fabric. I don't know what else. Michael's never has really. So Hobby Lobby sometimes has sales, like different items depending on what you want. But for dog accessories and fabric, if you're using fabric and different craft items, these are stores that are gonna be great for your business.
And also the Garment District in LA, they have tons and tons of stores.
If you're in LA or in a downtown area in your city, you can go down there and look at different fashion districts.
You don't have to live in LA. Like, you live like maybe 30, 40 miles from LA, that's a good place to go.
But if they live in Houston or something, they probably have a downtown area that sells that.
Yeah, they do. But I'm talking about in our area here.
Yeah. 3, research your competitors and their prices. So go on different websites, Instagrams, Facebooks, companies, and see their reviews, their sales, their items, their prices, and see how they're doing things, and see what you like and what you dislike. Not saying go on there and copy everything that they're doing, but you know, you can have inspiration in other different places and see how well they're doing it. So say you want to be a singer, it's not like you're never gonna go listen to someone else's music. Just like this, you're gonna go on other people's websites, see what they're doing, see what you like, and see what you can add to your own products to sell, or look at their website, how you do your website as well, and see like, oh, I don't like that price, that's too expensive or that's too low. And so you can price your items not way off the board or what other people are selling them for. Because a lot of people are selling like collars and leashes sets for like $30, and some people are selling them for $10. So you're like, okay, I'll meet them in the middle, or I'll go lower, just so you can see the range of different people's pricing and how they sell their products, the pictures, things like that. So researching that is very important, so you can do your website and take a little inspiration from different places, or how you would do it differently, what you dislike and do like about that person's website, prices, and products.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching part 1. Please stick around for part 2 and 3. It'll be in the description box down below, and also up above to the right in the cards with the little white circle.